Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how to add SoundCloud to Discord status. So the first step here that we're going to do is install the premid. So to do that, go to the new tab here, and then we're going to search for premid. And then here at the first result, you're going to click on this one so you can go to the premid homepage. So here on the premid homepage, as you can see here, we're going to select and click on downloads. So I'm going to close all the pop-up ads right here on your screen. Okay, and then scroll down. So here, select Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. So we're going to wait for 5 seconds here, and then click on this skip right there at the top right. And basically it will starting to download this application. Once done, you want to click on the installer exe file. Then you just need to set up this app on your computer. So click next and then click I accept agreement and click on next. Again, next. And now connecting to remote server. We have to wait here for a few minutes. And once done, as you can see right here, so you can check the boxes here, create desktop icon, launch app. So click on next. Now here, you just need to click on allow to allow this on your network. And once done, you just have to install the extension. So go back to the home page. And again, you should click on the downloads button right from here, and then you want to click on the extensions. So scroll down and select the Chrome extensions here because I am using the Google Chrome. So once you click on Chrome here, we just need to wait for 5 seconds. Once done, click on the skip button here at the bottom right or top right of your screen. And then here you just need to click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. And once done here, you just have to pin this on your extension tab. And then once done, you can now go to your Discord. So basically, I'm going to go back to my Discord on my browser. But you just need to make sure that you set up your settings here. So click on the user settings at the bottom left. And then here under your user settings. Okay, I'm going to close this one. Now under your user settings, go to activity privacy. Once you click on this one here, make sure to enable the first two options, which is display current activity as a status message and share your activity status by default when joining large servers. So make sure to toggle this on. And once done here, if you're going to click on the extension right there at the top right, then here you will find the SoundCloud is enabled. So you can now start listening to music and your Discord status will update automatically. So that's it. That's how you basically add SoundCloud to Discord status. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.